Hola mis chapines, ¿cómo están? So today, right now I'm in my car because, well, I don't start Italian until 3:30. And I already did the homework for that class, so I'm good with that part. But what I'm not good with is my car, because every single day my family tells me, why don't you clean the car? Why don't you clean the car? And then I always come out with the same thing, because I have work, because I have homework, because I have class. What else am I supposed to tell them that will make them say, stop bothering me? Gotten to the point where I'm literally just like, you know what, since I have like literally 4 hours of my life, or is it 3? Whatever. I feel like it is the good time to just clean my car. Inside and exterior, because the inside is just the worst. Like, I could care less about the exterior because that gets dirty anyway. But the interior is what I'm so much worried. I'm so worried about that. Why did I say so much worried? I don't make sense anymore. I don't know why. So it's just like, why do I even have a mouth? Why do I even talk? Like, you know, I always talk to myself anyway. So what am I supposed to do? I am going to turn off my camera, and I'll see you guys when I get to the gas station, because I also have to put gas. And I don't know when I'm getting paid next, so I gotta put some gas when I have it. So, you know, we gotta go. Okay, I'll see you guys over there at the gas station. So let's go to the gas station. Come on, let's go. All right, so yeah, so you guys know, I am going to clean my car because it is messy. And I feel like I need to throw these seat covers away because they're really, really disgusting looking right now, and they don't even match the color of my car. So I gotta change them. Hold up, let me put the window. I need to put the mirror. Okay, put the window up. It's cold as hell. I gotta do all those things that were whatever I just said. And if anything, I have a camera just to let you know, because I have two things I use for recording and photo shooting. So I use this and I use my phone. Right now I was just with my sister because she wanted to do like this one photo shoot for her shoot that she's making, and I'm like, okay. So right after that, I'm like, okay, might as well just do gas and might as well just clean the car, you know? Because we're not messy people over here. Oh my gosh, these mirrors are not at my height. You know, I don't know why people park stupid. Like, why do they always do that to me? It's getting to the point where I'm just like fed up with people doing the same thing every single time, and I'm just like, why are you doing this to me? Like, I did nothing to you. I don't even know you. So what the heck? Like, what the heck? Why do you even do this to me? People who are learning how to drive, I want you to know, learn how to parallel park. I know it takes time, and I know you're gonna be like, ugh, I hate parallel parking. When you don't know how to parallel park, you don't know how to drive, okay? That's simple as that. So learn how to parallel park, people, because I'm so fed up with that. I was one of those people, but I got better at it. So you know what? Don't even go at me, because I could park in little spaces that most people can't even park in. So you ain't know the tea. My gas station is not that far away from my house, so it's actually pretty close to my house. It's really convenient for me because I don't have to go all the way to like the suburbs just to get gas. Like, yeah. But also, I don't want to get gas for like, it's too expensive. Like, I don't like expensive gas. Like, I just feel like it's too irrelevant to have expensive gas, because at the end of the day, the gas is the same. It's just the area is different. It's the only difference, which I find it really pathetic and stupid. So yeah, and here I am actually about to approach over there because we have chores to do. So I feel like, okay, so first things first, I'm going to put gas in my car, And then the second thing I'm going to do is I am going to wash my car, and then I am going to clean my car with the vacuum and see if I have any flat tires. I don't think so, because I just checked the tires. They look good. Oh, ignore this, please. This, I don't know what happened. It just appeared one day, and like, oh my gosh, I don't know why was I so stupid to pop it, but I popped it. So it got worse. It grew a bit more. So it's just like, oh, why is this doing it here? Ugh. Alright, so I'm outside right now, and right now it's currently 11:42. And where's my wallet? Of course, I take out my keys because I don't like people going in my car and then end up taking my car eventually. So that's what I'm not gonna do. So right now I'm gonna pay my gas. And sorry for the noise, it's so windy and there's so many cars around here. It's super painful to hear. Of course, I am a cheap person. I don't ever do expensive gas. So we're going to do, let's see. Oh, my car wash, I forgot about that. Okay. So I think I canceled the car wash. Let's get the gas going. Finally, the video stopped. I hate those videos. I always have to watch them and they're just super annoying. Stressful opening. I'm going to get a car wash because this car needs to be clean. Especially since we're in quarantine too. So I gotta get this clean. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get a car wash. So the final process of cleaning my car is vacuuming, taking out any trash that does not belong here, because I specifically always say throw the trash out. And look what they always do. They don't throw the trash out. Well, right now I'm going to clean my car, and first of all, I need my wallet because I don't have quarters, I think. Perfect, I have $1 for this. I was about to be like, haha, I'm not wasting my change. Anyway, I'll get you guys right now while I vacuum. And trust me, it is a long process sometimes. Alright, I'll catch you guys right now. He's making so many noises! What the heck? Okay, so I was recording and it looked like I was not recording at all. I don't know what happened to me. But anyway, I am finally done with vacuuming. Now it's time to throw out the trash because we are not trash people. So we're going to put the bathroom back because we like being organized. And so much. I think, oh my god, I didn't even see I was zoomed in. What is wrong with me today? I can see the lens zoom in, so I'm just like, what the heck is going on? But anyway, we're done with vacuuming right now. So help me put this back up. Okay, I'm done. Alright, now I just need to throw away the trash because I don't know why, but I'll get back to you guys soon. Alright. You guys, I literally just found so much of this underneath the couch. Can somebody tell me that it makes sense or not? I swear to God, I tell my family one thing and they want to complain to me about, oh, I do this, I do that. But also, they don't appreciate me doing stuff. So I'm doing them a favor, so they better appreciate that. And if you're watching this, please, next time, try to have a bag in there. Because I usually have a bag in here, and they still leave a mess apparently. So, I'm just like, wow. Pointless to say, everything I do, everything I say, everything I want the way to be never comes out the way. So yeah, this is definitely going in the trash. Ugh. How could they have this here? Ugh. Oh my god. Oh, okay. That's the second time I'm taking it off. And because I'm in my car, I'm not going out anymore. I get to take it off. I threw out some of the trash off video because it's going to take me forever if I did it on camera. Let's be honest. You really think people do this so quickly? You gotta be kidding me. Like, hell no. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. 216. Oh, 216. No. Right now it's 12:17. It was 16 before, but it's now 17. And oh my gosh, I have so many notifications, and they're not texts, by the way. They're literally just random emails, random posts. Oh my gosh, like I'm so tired of seeing that. Like that's all I get in my notifications, and it's tiring. But I did get email notifications. Starbucks. Ugh. I'm too cheap for Starbucks right now. I just can't. Like, you know, I already wasted our gas, car wash, vacuuming, and yeah. So I don't got no Starbucks money. I'm gonna end the video right here because I am going to be driving and I'm not gonna be recording anymore. So I'll sign off with my signature thing. So yo soy Carlos Sálazar Chapín y los miro al próximo semana o cuando me dé la gana, porque la verdad yo tengo escuela, yo tengo trabajo, entonces yo no puedo estar así grabando todos los días. Entonces así, y después de estar componiendo el video también, eso lleva tiempo también, hombre. No solamente que hacen así y después pum pum pum, ya está el video. No. Eso lleva tiempo y lleva pasión. Y yo no sé por qué la gente nunca hace los videos con pasión. Ese es el problema ahí. El problema ahí es que no hagan el video con pasión y no tienen amor por eso. Y a veces los videos no salen como se deben de salir. Entonces, ahora puedo saludarme ahí ya. Yo soy Carlos Sálazar Chapín y yo les miro cuando me dé la gana. Hasta la próxima. Bye.